Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to download Vivado and Vivado HLS tool. So first search Vivado download on Google search, and in the first link appears is Xilinx link for download the Vivado. And so before downloading one needs to sign in. I already have an account, and if you don't have an account you can create from here, and once the account is created you can log in with that. So now it's logging and I can search for Vivado download. So in this the first link appears for downloading the Vivado, and I'm going to download 2018.3 version. So in this there are multiple options, and this is a update. So we are not going to first install the update, we are going to install Vivado Design Suite HLX editions, and it's a full product installation, and on top of that one can have the additional updates if one wants. So this is my Windows system, so I'm going to install Windows. One can go for Linux or the general system. So click on this window, it will confirm your detail and then press download button. That will download the first version of the Vivado SDK. Once it is downloaded, click on that and it will extract the installer. And now after some initial setting it will try to download and install the Vivado Xilinx. It asks for the latest version, but I am happy with 2018.3 version, so I'll press next. And then for authentication, once again I need to enter my credentials that I have logged in Xilinx. So I'll agree that for all the three versions for downloading and installing this software. So here this is the best version, which is a superset of Vivado HL edition, and this is a superset of this edition. So we have to install this version to get all the required software setup. Click on next, and here the disk space required is 45 GB, so we need to have that kind of space, and the download size is 13.57 GB. If one wants to change the installation directory, here one can change it, and this is the group entry for the program. I click next, and once again it is confirming that you are, so it will going to occupy 49.5 GB, and this is the path where it will get installed. So I'll press the install button, and now it will install, and I guess it will take 1 hour or 1.5 hours to download, and then maybe 1 hour to install. So yeah, let's wait for that. So after 1.5 hours, in the final stage of the installation, it will ask for the license. So one can choose one of these options, or load license, obtain license, search for the path. But here for Basis 3 board or for Nexus 4 DDR board, the license is not required, so we can skip, and these options can again come in Vivado. So right now I'll cancel this. Now it asks for Win Pickup hardware, So I'll just press OK and install the hardware. It will install the, so maybe it's already installed, so I'll just ignore it. And I don't require any MATLAB right now, so yeah, MATLAB is not required and installation is successful. Allow access, and Vivado is ready to open. So let's see. Yeah, so Vivado is opening and one can create the project, open the previous project, and here are some examples for the project. So it's installed. Thank you.